Well, the East Texas wind goes whistling through the pines, and I followed it down to Louisiana. There is a tribe, and it ain't too hard to find, where the rich man came and flooded all the land. They had no mercy on the people old and young. They were blinded by the silver on their tongue. All the land that they'd take just to build themselves a lake, well, it ain't worth all the lives that you forsake. Well, 180,000 acres of ancestral land, that's our being.